Today I'll be doing a get ready with me. Look at this. Chaotic. So to see the end results, keep on watching.
I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp.
Welcome Dae-T squad. Sorry. Soon come. But it's not mine. It's my friend's Keisha. She's dropping her clothesline. Oh, y'all want to see the back too? I don't know if y'all can see it, but first thing I'll be doing is my hair. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and of course subscribe. If you see me looking away, I'm looking in my mirror. Yeah. You see this? It's mad curly and whatnot. I'm just trying to get the roots of the hair straight. Not the ends. I don't really care about the ends. But the roots needs to be straight. I should probably wash this hair before doing this, but it's okay. Getting better. I didn't even know this hair sheds this much. Like, my gosh. I don't remember where I got this hair from because I have so many wigs. But look at this. To y'all, it's probably not a lot of shedding, but that's a lot of shedding. Y'all see the difference? No? I do. Now to the next side. I know y'all see that hint of green. And now, for the part y'all all been waiting for. Roll. Flip. Roll. Flip. Roll. I should have really used heat protectant for the sake of this hair. Flip. Roll. Y'all see that steam coming off? No, it's not burning. However, I do have my flat iron on 410. Squeeze. Make it cool a little. Then drop. Get another medium-sized section. That's a good size. Flip this back. Flat iron. Flip. Down. squeeze, make it cool down a little. Drop. I just continue doing this throughout the hair. So I'll come back when this side is finished. Oh, see, I messed that one up. The curl didn't come out. So just go back in, flat iron, down, flat iron, flip. I want my ends curl too, so I just chop, chop, chop slowly. Let it go. Cool it down. Cool it down.
Cool it down.
Ooh, this is hot. This one came out okay. Not that perfect, but I'm gonna comb it out anyway. So guess what? It don't matter. Get this from on the top. Brush right here. Make sure it's smooth. Depending on how I feel, I might go in with my hot comb for the top of my hair, but we'll see.
Oh, snap! That nasty.
Excuse me. And I got this small piece right here. I'm gonna give this a little, you know, a little baby, you know, ooh, like that. Like that, just like that, like that. Get my comb, go like this. I'm not done. I don't like how this curl is so far down, so I'm gonna redo it. Okay, that's better, but see how long that curl is? I don't like that. So I'm gonna comb it out. I want my curl tighter. I still look crazy, I know, but we about to fix it right now. Look at my foundation stick. Just go dab, dab, dab. Uh-oh, I got makeup on my vanity. Shit, whatever. So like that. Then I'm gonna go you know, if you think it's too wide, just get, I'm showing y'all some tricks. Get mascara. Now I got all my baby hairs. Go in. Cut, 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 cut. Cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Now I'm gonna get my hot comb. Okay, I'm making sure it's hot. I'm gonna get my hot comb. I'm gonna just press that out.